Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in Telegram on PC. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google Telegram login. Click on Telegram web. So here you can see option login to Telegram by QR code. So you have two options. You can scan this QR code or you can log in by phone number. So I want to log in with phone number. So let me enter my phone number first. Okay. And click on next. So here I need to add the code that I received. So let me check my smartphone. So now you can see that I successfully log into my Telegram on PC. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.